History of the towns and the cities. The study of the towns and the cities was started in the year 1970. The most pioneering person in this field is Stephen Thornton. Apart from Thornton, there are so many personalities like Edwin Burrows, Mike Wallace, S.G. Beckland, Ronald Taylor. The historians in the Indian perspective, they are the Narayani Gupta, who wrote about Delhi, Rina Oldenburg wrote about Lucknow, Christine Dobbin wrote about Mumbai, Jyotindra Mohan Rai wrote about Dhaka, Radharaman Mitra wrote about Calcutta. So, in short, this is the history and the historians in the perspective of towns and cities. But apart from that, the Bengal towns and the cities are popularized by Radharaman Mitra, Soumitra Srimani, Vijay Kumar Bandyopadhyay, Muntasir Mamun, Jyotindra Mohan Rai, and Samsudjoha Chaudhuri. So this is the history of the towns and the cities.